case, what we did is we installed an 80% Weil-McLain boiler at their home, which is made out of cast iron. This type of boiler will last 30 years because it's built out of cast iron, with very, very few issues throughout its lifespan. This gave the customer a lot of confidence and a lot of reassurance that they're not going to have to worry about this while they're away. In comparison, you have a high efficiency boiler, which has a lot of moving parts. Their life expectancy is usually somewhere between 12 and 15 years. And because they're so technically advanced, they do have a lot of minor issues that happen throughout the years. So for this boiler, it's standard maintenance. Once a year, we come out, pull the burners, we clean the burners, we check our gas pressures, we make sure our flues are venting properly. We do a combustion test to make sure that this boiler is operating at its peak efficiency, which is 84% for this particular boiler. We do the same thing with a high efficiency boiler, where we do a combustion test, and that boiler we want to make sure is operating in the high 90s, depending on the boiler manufacturer.